We're out with it. Can you believe we're here?
I can't believe we're here! There's a cheerleader convention, so there's quite a lot of big groups around, but that's fine.
We're only here for the weekend.
Yeah. Oh, would you like a map?
Would I like a map?
Just here.
Yeah, we can get a map.
Let's have a map. Oh, and a times guide, maybe.
What can't you believe, darling?
I can't believe we're here! Oh look!
It's very similar, slash not, because you obviously got the town.
Yeah, what are your thoughts? Because you're used to this. I think we have mentioned many times, but it's Dean's first trip. Actually,
Missed my badge.
yeah, we need to go get you a badge. Should we go to Space Mountain first?
Yeah, see if we can.
See if we can do our fast
Sweet
passing.
talk our way onto it.
Yeah. Look. Oh. Are you ready for your first picture? Oh. Huh.
You're not. Don't you start on me. Not you as well.
Look at it, so beautiful.
You won't notice.
Oh, it looks so pretty. Look at it. We're in.
You got loud all of a sudden.
Yes. I mean, it's not too busy, but it does just seem quite loud. It's very different to Paris.
Yeah.
And because I've not been here for a while, and obviously this is your first time, it's very different.
Similar layout, just bigger.
Yeah.
Everything is spread out.
I've watched so many like vlogs, and we've read like so many books and articles, but it still doesn't really prepare you for coming back and getting back into it. But right, time to see if our fast pass will work. Fingers crossed.
15 minutes, right?
Yeah, we're only 15 minutes late, which is actually, all things considered, pretty impressive.
Yeah.
So we'll either see you in the queue or see you afterwards looking sad.
Yes, yeah, we'll drop the time. You're fine, go in.
Yes, thank you, Disney.
Oh, so
hello, aircon.
Space Mountain passengers.
No, because I'm on holiday.
Yeah. Oh, Disney, you have made our day. Tom?
Hey, cool.
You should be in good health.
Should we keep at the front?
Yes.
Heart back and neck problems.
Look forward to this.
What are your thoughts so far?
Good, hot, very cool mint. So sticky.
Where are we going now?
Haunted Mansion.
Apologise for our dishevelled appearance tonight, so we have been running around and it's very humid, and we just chucked on the first things we saw in the case. My outfit doesn't completely go, but I'm like, I want to get out, I want to enjoy my evening. Yeah. He said I look like a soccer mum. Anyway, we've just had to consult the map. I'm used to Disneyland Paris, where I've been for the last couple of years, so I know my way around. And here I was like, oh yeah. Well, at first I said Phantom Manor, for one. That's not what it's called here. I was like, oh yeah, it's over. Oh wait, no, I have no idea where it is in Florida.
It's equivalent to where Pirates of the Caribbean is ish, isn't it?
That is correct. Oh, he's learning. I'm so proud.
You're so sulky.
I know. Yeah, but anyway, we found it on the map. We have got enough time for our fast pass today. Well, I mean, we have got time for our fast pass for this one. We're not going to be late and have to go, it's okay if we get in, please let us on, please. Not, literally, we didn't really have to say anything. We were like, really sorry, we're a couple of minutes late.
I think she was bored of it. We were excusing it, sounded
yeah, maybe.
It was like, yeah, just
ooh,
go.
Christmas shop. Excellent. Oh, what's happening? Right, we're gonna wander, take you on Haunted Mansion, sorry. And then it's time for Big Thunder, and then we gotta eat.
Yeah.
Katie's hungry. We're trying to get on to like America time. We're pretending England time doesn't exist.
I feel like I already am.
Yeah.
I'm quite happy it being 7:15. I don't feel tired.
No, I agree.
Well, it should feel tired, but you do have to think.
It will hit us eventually. It will hit us eventually. I cannot wait for a shower. I can't wait to maybe like go settle in the room a bit because we did just leave it.
Well, because we need to unpack in one room and then quickly change to the next room.
But we'll show you that later. So come with us. We're going to go on the haunted mansion.
Oh, it's a riverboat.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
Riverboat.
Yeah, hang on.
Two touch points.
Now this was closed in Paris.
Yeah, I've not actually done this at all.
Yeah, no, Dean's never done this, so I'm really excited for him to see it because it's such an immersive ride. This is probably one of my favourites.
Invisible horseman.
Yeah.
Welcome, foolish mortals, to the Haunted Mansion. I am your host, your ghost host. Our tour begins here in this gallery. Here where you see paintings of some of our guests as they appeared in their corruptible, mortal state. Please, holy spirits are frightfully sensitive to light. We have been unavoidably detained by pranky spirits. Kindly remain seated in your doom buggy. We will continue our tour in just a moment.
Where have we come for dinner?
Columbia Harbour House.
Yeah.
I've only got it wrong then. We normally just got my bed for chicken nuggets and chips.
Yeah. We both went for the same. Literally exactly the same.
Yeah. Just fancy it.
Yeah. Oh, looking even more warm and sweaty now.
What are we talking about?
We had a really nice dinner in Columbia Harbour House, and now we have our last fast pass of the day, which was our fourth fast pass for Buzz. And then there's like some thunder and lightning around, so we're not sure if the parade's gonna go on. Not parade, sorry, we're not sure if the show's gonna go on. So we're just gonna do a couple of rides and then just go with the flow. Yeah. But it's really quite quiet here. They've got an after hours party tonight, so we were like, oh, maybe it'll be a bit busier. But literally everything is like less than a 20-minute wait.
I mean, even Buzz with fast pass, but it's 15 minutes, I think.
Yeah.
10?
10, 15, something like that.
I don't read that time for me.
Good stuff.
These videos quite all the time. Be happy.
Now, this could be the last time you see us together on this trip.
Yeah. Yeah, it's risky. Just need a gun that works.
Yeah. Oh, fast pass here. Buzz Lightyear's a stupid game and ride.
Just didn't know what we were doing.
Yeah.
I don't know anyone gets like Galactic Hero on that.
Yeah, Joe and Ashley, see you real soon. We're gonna have to watch your video again because we have no clue.
Didn't even get 100,000.
No. And this light is awful. And oh no. So trying to go around and exit. Can't do two things at once. But anyway, we're gonna go on the people mover now. People mover. Pardon? They've not started yet.
Okay.
They've not started yet. Ooh.
vehicle until you come to a complete stop.
It was faster that time.
I don't know what happened. The right hand side is much quicker.
Yeah.
Much quicker. Because that was like a next level kind of, and it was smoother.
Yeah, I agree. I think that probably rounds up the end of what's been a very, very long day. I have no idea how many parts this is going to be. It could potentially, well, it's going to be at least 2. I think probably 2.
Probably, I think we'll go over 2 because we didn't do loads of filming tonight because the camera's not been fully charged because of the fact we were on the plane for 9 hours.
Yeah, that's true.
So we'll probably split it.
But
Journey.
we will show you the room, but just not tonight. We're going to go back, have showers, and probably just crash. But just want to say thank you very much for joining us on our pre-travel day, our travel day, and now our first evening in the Magic Kingdom.
A very, very good one, I know.
Yeah, please subscribe to see all of our future content because we're here for 2 weeks, so there's going to be loads and loads of vlogs, and click like if you liked what you saw. So thanks very much everybody, we'll see you. Thanks everybody. Thanks very much everybody, we'll see you next week.